So it's been a very long time since I've recorded a video and posted on YouTube. Long time, but if anybody remember, I used to just do a whole lot of hair tutorials, hair reviews, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, that. So I'm going to continue to do that in some sort, but I also have some new stuff coming to my channel. I'm gonna do a lot of clothing reviews, shoes. I've become a sneakerhead, shall I say. So I love my tennis shoes. I love to be comfortable. So I will be doing a lot of that. Yeah, but also I do have hair tutorials, or shall I say hair reviews, coming as well. Just like this hair is just some crochet hair that I got off of Amazon. That posted below in the description of where at this hair, the exact seller, shall I say. I have that posted below. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say bye for now and let you see this video that I have. Subscribe to my channel for more. If you're here from a long time ago, don't go nowhere. Stay around. You might see something you like. So yeah. So I had been wanting some of these, but of course I didn't want to pay an extra price. So I found these, and y'all, I'm just gonna show you. So they came with a pair of socks, but get into the shoes. So it looked like the shoes came with a keychain. But let's get into the shoe. Look at this. Look. That's the, oh, this is the size. But look. Look at this shoe. I mean.
You're crazy. No. No. What do you mean no? Got it all. Sex, intrigue, immorality.
I don't have words. I pulled the other shoe out and it had a basketball in it. But get into the shoes. I'm not even gonna tell you to walk. Run to go get you some.
What's everybody waiting for? This?
Look here, then. We know you're clean. We all go. Why not enjoy the go with Shauna?
There is no torture, only crack.
It's probably
Rating 10 out of 10.
They can help lower cholesterol. Now he's taking care of his
It's good.